Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a and b if we have a plus 2 times of ab plus b is equals to 8, and we solve this problem for the values of a and b. So here we need to find both of these values of a and b, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now we move towards the solution of this problem, and here you see that both of these two terms involve a. So here we need to take common a from here, and when we will take common a, we get the remaining values are, from here we get 1 plus from here we get 2b, and plus here we get this is b is equals to 8. And in the next step, you see here we have this is 2b, but here we have b only. So in order to make this b in 2b, so we need to multiplying both of the sides on each of these terms by 2. So when we multiply each of these terms by 2, it will be written as 2a times of 1 plus 2b, plus this will becomes 2b is equals to, this is 2 times of 8 becomes 16. And further in the next step, here you see that this is 1 plus 2b, so this is 2b only, so here we need 1. So in order to make 1, we just add 1 on both of the sides. Okay, so where we add 1 on both of the sides, after adding 1 on both of the sides, our this equation is written as 2a times of 1 plus 2b, and plus when we add this is 2b plus 1, here we add 1 on both of the sides. And now here we need a little bit simplifications. Here this is 2b plus 1 or 1 plus 2b, both are same things. So here we need to take common of 1 plus 2b. So when we take common 1 plus 2b, we get the remaining values are 2a plus 1 is equals to, this is 16 plus 1 becomes here 17. And further in the next step, you see here in the left hand side we have two values are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one value. So we need to make or we need to find any two numbers whose product becomes 17. So we have, there are two possibilities of product of two numbers is 17, and these are 1 multiplied by 17 is equals to 17, and the second one is minus 1 multiplied by minus 17 is also equals to 17. So it means that now we need to divide this equation into the two cases, and here we write our first case, and in first case we compare both of these two values on 1 and 17, and it will be written as 1 plus 2b multiplied by 2a plus 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by 17. Okay, so here we consider our first case is we take right hand side is 1 times of 17, and now here we need to compare both of the sides, and we will get here 1 plus 2b is equals to 1, and here we will get 2a plus 1 is equals to 17. So in order to find the values of b from here, our first this equation is implies that here we move this 1 to the right hand side, this is positive. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative, and we get 2b is equals to 1 minus 1. And similarly in this case we need to move plus 1 to the right hand side, and we get 2a is equals to 17 minus 1. So this equation implies that this is 2b is equals to 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and from here we get 2a is equals to 17 minus 1 becomes 16. So from here, in order to find the values of b, we divide both of the sides by 2. Here we divide this equation by 2, and it will becomes 2b is equals to 0. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will become in this form. Similarly, this is 2a is equals to 16, and we divide this equation also by 2, and it will be written as in this form. So this 2 and 2 are gone, and we will get here b is equals to 0. and from here these two and these two are also gone, and we get here a is equals to, this is 2 times of 8 becomes 16, and we get the value of a is equals to 8. So from first case we get the values of a is 8 and b is 0. So now here we need to move towards the second case, in second case we just compare both of these two terms with -1 and -17. So here in the second case we write our second case here. So we compare, so first we write here our second case, and after comparing both of these two factors we get here 1 plus 2b is equals to -1, and 2a plus 1 is equals to -17. So we write both of these two equations here, and now here we again solve these two equations, and we easily get the values of a and b from second case. So from here, in order to find the value of b, we move this +1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 2b is equals to -1 and -1, and in this side we move +1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes -17. This +1 is also becomes -1, and we get here 2b is equals to -1 -1 becomes -2, and from here we get 2a is equals to -17 -1 becomes -18. So here we need to divide both of the sides by 2 in order to get the value of b. So these 2 and 2 are gone, and we get our b is equals to this 2 and this 2 are also gone. We get the value of b in second case is -1. So from here, in order to find the value of a, we again divide both of the sides by 2. So it will become this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we will get here a is equals to, this is 2 times of 9 becomes 18, and we get a is equals to -9. So these are the two values of a and b which we get here from second case. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.